Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter the developer settings in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings here and scroll down and search for the about the phone. And next go to the version here, and there is a build number here, so you have to tap 5 times, and now you are in developer mode. Now go back and search for the developer mode. We have it, get it, maybe here. No, not software, added central settings here. I think, yes, there is a developer option here. And as you see, we have a plenty of option here with developer option, and that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. I'll see you by next video. Hey.